Friends, today I'm once again going to show you how some of the most fascinating products are made inside factories, products that people are always curious about. Have you ever wondered how these things are actually manufactured? Be sure to watch the entire video. I can confidently say that by the end, your knowledge will have grown significantly. So make sure you stay with us until the very end. And friends, a lot of hard work went into creating this video, so don't forget to leave a like. Now, let's get started. Shampoo factory making. Friends, whether it's men, women, or children, people of all ages use shampoo to keep their hair clean and healthy. Many also rely on it to help maintain strong, beautiful hair. But what most people don't know is how shampoo is actually made. Have you ever wondered how the shampoo we use every day to wash our hair is manufactured? Today, we're going to take a look inside the factory and discover the fascinating process behind shampoo production. To make shampoo, the process begins by loading water into a large industrial mixer. Ingredients such as cetyl alcohol, stearic acid, urea, and color pigments are then added to the mixture and thoroughly blended until a smooth and uniform formula is achieved. Next, empty shampoo bottles are placed onto a conveyor belt and moved forward through the production line. The prepared shampoo is then filled into each bottle with precision. Once filled, the bottles continue along the conveyor belt, where caps are securely attached and sealed. After that, the bottles move to the labeling section, where company-branded stickers are applied. Finally, the finished products are sent forward for packaging and distribution. This is how shampoo is manufactured inside modern factories. Baby diaper making machine. To manufacture baby diapers, two special types of material rolls are loaded into the machine. These materials are primarily made from a blend of polypropylene and polyethylene, along with cellulose pulp, which forms the absorbent core of the diaper. Next, super absorbent materials are added to help absorb and retain a baby's urine. The machine precisely applies these layers and compresses them together to create an effective absorbent structure. Once the materials are assembled, the machine shapes them into individual diapers. The finished diapers are then cut into separate pieces and transported forward on a conveyor belt. At the next stage, the diapers are carefully packaged. After packaging is complete, the products are prepared for shipment and distributed to markets for sale. This is how baby diapers are manufactured in modern factories. Foundation factory making friends, both men and women use foundation to create a smoother and more even looking skin tone. You may already know that foundation can help improve the appearance of the skin, but have you ever wondered how it is actually made? Let's take a look at the manufacturing process behind this popular cosmetic product. The process begins by loading water into a large industrial mixer. Ingredients such as zinc oxide powder, aloe vera gel, rice flour, cocoa powder, and clay powder are then added and thoroughly blended together. After that, shea butter is mixed into the formula, creating a smooth and consistent texture. Once the base mixture is ready, additional color-adjusting ingredients are added to produce different shades suitable for various skin tones. The mixture is then blended again to ensure a uniform finish. Next, the finished foundation is transferred to a filling machine. This machine works much like a precision dispenser, accurately filling each foundation container with the product. After filling, the containers are sealed from the back and lids are securely attached. Finally, the completed foundation products are packed into boxes and prepared for distribution to stores and markets. This is how foundation is manufactured inside modern factories. Cloth factory making. The Curtis, salwar kameez fabrics, bed sheets, and various cotton textiles you see in the market all begin their journey inside massive textile factories. But have you ever wondered how these fabrics are actually made? Watching cloth being manufactured in a factory is truly fascinating. Modern textile production combines advanced machinery with remarkable efficiency to transform simple threads into beautiful fabrics. The process starts with large bundles of cotton yarn being loaded into specialized cloth-making machines. Once the yarn is fed into the system, the machine takes over most of the work automatically. Thousands of threads are carefully woven together to create a continuous sheet of fabric. As the fabric moves through the production line, the machine can also add intricate patterns and decorative designs directly onto the material. Finally, the finished cloth is neatly rolled into large fabric rolls, ready to be cut, stitched, and turned into products such as curtis, bed sheets, and other garments. This is how cotton fabrics are produced inside modern textile factories. Machines like these are used to manufacture t-shirts and shirts. To begin the process, yarn of the desired color is loaded into the machine. The design for the t-shirt or shirt is then programmed into the computer system connected to the machine. Once the settings are applied, the machine can produce garments at an incredibly fast speed with remarkable precision. Similar machines are also used to manufacture bed sheets. As you can see, they can quickly create beautifully patterned fabrics while maintaining consistent quality throughout the production process. Women's curtis and saris are produced using comparable textile manufacturing techniques, where advanced machines weave intricate designs directly into the fabric. Even woolen sweaters can be made efficiently with compact knitting machines. These machines allow users to create stylish and beautifully designed sweaters from the comfort of their homes, producing professional-looking results in a short amount of time. Fair and Lovely Cream making process. Have you ever wondered how Fair and Lovely Cream is manufactured inside a factory? Millions of people use skincare creams every day, but very few know what goes into the production process. The manufacturing of this cream requires a variety of ingredients, including distilled monoglycerides, citric acid, cetyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol, butylated hydroxytoluene, carbomer, glycerin, mineral oil, methylparaben, aloe vera, and purified water. Each ingredient plays a specific role in creating the cream's texture, stability, and overall formulation. The process begins inside a large industrial mixing tank. First, the liquid base ingredients are added to the mixer. After that, purified water and other essential components are carefully introduced into the mixture. Once all the ingredients have been loaded, the mixer blends them thoroughly to create a smooth and uniform cream base. This is the first stage in the production of Fair and Lovely Cream inside a modern factory. The mixer is then activated, blending all the ingredients together until they form a smooth and consistent cream. Once the cream reaches the desired texture, it is transferred to a specialized filling machine designed to dispense the product into Fair and Lovely tubes with precision. The machine quickly fills each tube with the cream, ensuring that every package contains the correct amount. The filled tubes are then transported forward on a conveyor belt to the sealing section. At this stage, the open end of each tube is pressed and sealed shut by an automated machine. After sealing, the tubes continue along the conveyor belt to the packaging area. Finally, the finished cream tubes are placed into printed paper cartons and packed for distribution. Once this step is complete, the Fair and Lovely Cream is fully manufactured and ready to be shipped to stores and markets. Polyester cloth making process. Friends, did you know that even waste plastic can be turned into new and beautiful fabric? Today, polyester clothing made from recycled plastic has become very popular in the market. The process begins by collecting a large amount of used plastic bottles and other waste plastic materials. These plastics are then transported through a conveyor belt to the crushing section, where they are broken down into small pieces. After crushing, the plastic fragments are thoroughly cleaned using hot water to remove dust, dirt, and impurities. Once cleaned, the plastic is further processed and transformed into raw polyester material, which is later spun into fine fibers. These fibers are then used to produce strong and durable fabric. This is how polyester cloth is made from recycled plastic in modern factories. A water jet is then used to remove any remaining impurities, separating only the clean and refined plastic particles. After that, the purified plastic is fed into a rotating machine where it is processed and converted into a fine powder form. This plastic powder is then transferred into another machine where it is melted and spun into long, thick fibers. These fibers are collected and rolled into large bundles of yarn. Finally, these yarn bundles are used in weaving machines to produce large sheets of fabric. This is how waste plastic is transformed into new textile materials. Friends, We have put a lot of hard work into making this video, so please don't forget to give it a like. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our new videos.